Hi, and welcome to the final unit of the Hunger Studies course. In this unit, we really want you to really see your role as a hunger advocate and see how you can use your field of expertise to make a difference and impact the hungry poor. In this unit, Professor Coutts is going to talk to you about some of the solutions to some of the problems we've mentioned in previous units, things like corruption and lack of transparency in NGOs, some of the solutions provided by the World Food Program and the United Nations, as well as other organizations. And we're also going to show you another clip from Dr. Toni Alexander, where you can really see how she uses her field as a geographer to make a difference in the hungry poor that live in the Syracuse, New York area.
Right. For those of you interested in geography, you'll find this most fascinating, the role of GPS and GIS in understanding vulnerability and understanding how to target the hungry poor. Whether you're in Syracuse, New York, or Nepal, or Bangladesh, these are all really useful skills. I think it'll be a highlight of this unit to hear her explain how this works.
And I think, concluding, we really want you to understand, we've made some special videos that are Professor Coutts and my personal stories, which aren't necessarily academically oriented, but we tried to paint the picture of how we got into this field so that you can see you can really come from anywhere and any background and join in with this journey.
We've decided to both tell our personal stories a bit, because this often comes up. We found in our experience in teaching this class that not that everyone wants to go out and necessarily do what we do, but many of our students are at a critical stage of their life where they're thinking about career and life choices, life changes, profession. They're thinking maybe they want to include somehow hunger and poverty into their life's dream. And again, they're not necessarily looking for a prescriptive approach, but they'd like to understand better how those of us who have been involved in this work actually got there. So we found that this might be a useful type of addition, and we're going to have a separate section in this course that you'll be able to take a look at, that will hopefully give you a few ideas and perhaps inspire you about how we took our own paths.
Mm-hmm. And I think the goal, you can be a fashion designer, an anthropologist, banker, or a social worker, and really any field truly can impact. And the goal of this course is to really ignite a passion within you. You wouldn't have signed up for this course, we assume, if you didn't already care about the hungry poor, but we hope that through this course you've been able to see that you can really be anyone, anywhere, making a difference in this field.
That's right. So enjoy the unit.